clouds and to watch them go.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So the MacBook is finally here and sanitizing is very important, and please let your packages quarantine for like 2 to 3 days before you just touch them or open them. So I could work with only this camera angle. So hi me, and yes, this is the box. This is my laptop. Let's unbox it.
But I'm afraid. I'm dumb.
I'm sorry, there was a little strip. It's like this. When you do it like this, get it out. Ah. Okay. Ah. Eee. Ooh. Oh, look at this box. I even love the box. Oh my god. I'm such a hype wala person. Wow. Eee. Okay. So we'll keep the laptop aside for a second. Let's see what it has. Okay, so we have the cable, the Type-C cable. Then we also have the adapter. Some satisfying time lapse. So looks so beautiful. And then we also have this little one wherein, you know, the stickers. I love this so much. Just look at this. I'm in love. I'm so happy. So finally I've unboxed it. ठीक है, सारा सामान यहाँ फैला हुआ है. मेरे बाल बहुत अजीब हो गए हैं because it's very hot out here. I'm shooting like a little outside ताकि आप लोग को थोड़ा better view मिले. कमरे के अंदर इतनी अच्छी लाइट नहीं है. So I don't know कैसा व्यू आया है, अभी एडिटिंग में देखेंगे वो तो. So अभी अनबॉक्सिंग डन है. थोड़ा सामान समेटती हूँ मैं, फिर इसको लेके चलते हैं रूम में एंड देखते हैं.
You know how to use VoiceOver.
I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you, baby. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you. But we're going through the same shit, just a different person. You keep me above the surface.
And so I have just, added this little wallpaper that was on Apple itself of the sky because I love skies. And yeah, we're just gonna make a customized one later on. But right now I just wanted to try out this touch bar thingy. It looks so awesome. See you guys. I love it so much. And yeah, I totally love this a lot. You can do a lot of things. Actually, I'm gonna explore this now because guys, it has been some time. I've explored this a little bit. It's late in the night. I'm done with my work. I have a little vibe going in here. So I was just searching, like, before buying this, some of the things about this MacBook. So I will also make a detailed video on the customization and stuff. But the MacBooks with M1 chip are said to be very, very fast processing and everything. So people who use apps like Final Cut Pro for coding and stuff, it is a very, very good buy, definitely. Now I personally don't use Final Cut Pro because that is a like costly app, and I don't know if I should invest it in right now because I shoot with my phone only, so I don't think it's very much needed for me to spend on that right now. So we will upgrade to a camera and then switch to that. So for now I'm just gonna use the iMovie, which is the inbuilt app of MacBook. So I've just changed this background. I think I said that in a clip also. So I've changed this background because I was not liking that old one. I will definitely make a customized one for myself because obviously we cannot deal with this one. Wakes up in just a second, and that's a very, very cool feature. I was also seeing this, and which is something that I think most of you would not know. I was just going through some videos or stuff. If I am wrong, please correct me in the comments. Now it is said that MacBooks, especially with the M1 chips, they are very efficient in managing their memory and stuff. So you don't have to just shut down them every night so that you can just clear all the apps. You don't have to do that. It manages it on its own. So I would say that don't shut it down like every day. I personally am thinking to go with like shutting it down in every 3 to 4 days. Maybe, I'm not particularly sure. I have to research about that a bit. Okay, so let's just explore a little bit about the MacBook. The first is the Launchpad. You have a lot of apps that Apple already provides. These are all the apps which are actually on the phone as well. They are similar ones, but you can download any apps. I just downloaded Google Chrome as of now because I'm more familiar with Chrome than Safari. Then I would like to show you the most exciting thing that is my favorite is iMovie. I'm going to use that to edit all of my videos. Actually, I'm editing this current video on that only and recording this voiceover as well. So it looks something like this. It is very, very nice. You can find tutorials about iMovie on YouTube. Also, I'm not going to just give you a whole tutorial here, but if you want, you can just drop down. I will definitely give you guys a tutorial. The other thing in the Launchpad is this other folder where you have a bunch of other apps where you can find the stickies as well. Now, stickies is, I already have a note on my screen. The stickies is basically a sticky note that is in Windows as well, I think, which is very, very handy. You can just, add fonts. You can change the font of the writing. You can change the color of your sticky note also, and a bunch of things that we're going to explore in the customization video. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? So beautiful. Now I also wanted to tell you about the features that I didn't actually abhi tak. So basically I got the M1 MacBook Pro, and this is 13 inches one. It has 8 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD. So why I went for 256? Because I don't really require like too much of storage because I already have a hard disk. So I was just saving bucks there. I didn't want to just spend a lot of money just because of the storage, because you know what, like there was a good 15,000-20,000 difference between like 256 and 512. Some of you might think that 8 GB RAM is a little less, or you might want to upgrade to 16 GB. So you can upgrade this to 16 GB as well. But with the new M1 chip, actually 8 GB is also pretty fast, and it's good if you even want to run like very heavy softwares. Also, it's good for that. So I don't think that I'm gonna need it now. So I just didn't go ahead and buy a very costly one, and I went with this MacBook. I'm super excited to explore the touch bar thing because that is very, very new to me. I've never ever tried that, and I was just editing today and I just saw that there are many helpful features that can help me while editing using the touch bar. So yeah, I'm very excited for that, and a customization video will be up very, very soon. Do let me know in the comments below if you want it. When do you want it? And I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the customization video. And I also want to tell you guys one thing which I don't know if I've told you guys in the video or not. I'm going to do like a 30-day challenge on YouTube wherein every day of June month. I'm going to post on YouTube, not a full video every day. It is going to be shorts some days and full videos like regular just say I upload. So hit the subscribe button right now so that you don't miss all the uploads. And yeah, follow me on my Instagram and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.
Gave you my doubts and I watched them